Hello again, my amazing listeners. Are you prepared to step into another world, a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with breathtaking landscapes? Today, we're going on a journey to the heart of Japan, far from the bustling cities, to a quiet village nestled among emerald green rice paddies and misty mountains. We'll explore a day in the life of a few wonderful characters, experiencing the delicate beauty and deep peace of rural Japan. This story isn't just about what they do. It's about how they feel, how they connect with their surroundings, and how their daily lives offer a gentle invitation to slow down and appreciate every moment. Our story unfolds in the tranquil village of Mori no Sato, which means forest village, a perfect name for a place surrounded by nature's embrace. The first soft light of dawn, a pearly grey, filters through the bamboo groves, painting the mist-shrouded peaks with a delicate glow. Inside a traditional Japanese home, a minka, an elderly woman named Haruko is already awake. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the faint scent of damp earth and distant cherry blossoms. Haruko moves quietly, her movements serene and intentional, as she prepares her morning tea. The soft clinking of the ceramic teapot and cups creates a gentle rhythm in the peaceful stillness, promising a calming start to the day. Haruko kneels gracefully on the tatami mats, carefully whisking a bowl of matcha, powdered green tea, until a delicate foam appears. She takes a slow, meditative sip, savoring the slightly bitter, earthy flavor. As she drinks, she gazes out at her small, meticulously cared-for Zen garden, where raked gravel creates patterns around carefully placed rocks. It's a scene of profound tranquility, a gentle invitation to find peace in simplicity and order. Have you ever felt that profound sense of calm, just by observing a quiet, beautiful space? It's a truly special feeling that can soothe the soul. Soon, the soft padding of bare feet on tatami mats can be heard. It's her grandson Kenji, a thoughtful boy of 9, already dressed in his comfortable clothes. Kenji loves helping Haruko with their morning chores, which are often deeply connected to the natural world. In Mori no Sato, children learn respect and responsibility early, assisting with tasks that foster harmony with their environment. Kenji's first job is to help sweep the small path leading to their front gate, carefully clearing any fallen leaves. He enjoys the quiet, rhythmic swish of the broom, feeling connected to the earth. This simple act teaches them mindfulness and attention to detail. Even small, routine actions, when performed with presence and care, can become acts of meditation and bring deep satisfaction. Remember, every little effort contributes to creating peace in your own space. After sweeping the path, Kenji and Haruko walk towards their family's small vegetable garden, neatly organized in raised beds. The morning sun is now brighter, warming their faces, and the air is filled with the subtle scent of fresh herbs. They pass other villagers, some already tending their own gardens, others heading to the local shrine, always ready with a polite bow and a soft "Ohayo gozaimasu." It's a community built on respect and quiet understanding. Everyone contributes, and there's a strong sense of shared duty and mutual care. This feeling of collective harmony is so important, isn't it? It reminds us that we're all part of a larger tapestry. In the garden, Haruko shows Kenji how to gently prune the tomato plants and check for ripe cucumbers. They move with an unspoken understanding, their hands working together in comfortable silence. Kenji learns about the cycles of growth, the importance of nurturing, and the joy of harvesting fresh produce. This daily ritual isn't just about cultivating food. It's about connecting with the earth, understanding its generosity, and feeling grateful for its bounty. It's a beautiful example of how deeply intertwined with nature life in the Japanese countryside can be. Have you ever grown your own food? What did you learn from that experience? Later in the morning, after a light breakfast of onigiri, rice balls, and miso soup, Kenji is eager to go outside and practice his calligraphy. But first, he has a special task, preparing the paper and ink. Haruko teaches him how to carefully grind the ink stick on thysajuri, an inkstone, mixing it with water, until it reaches the perfect consistency. This is a disciplined skill, essential for traditional Japanese art forms. It's also a lesson in patience and precision, understanding the tools, controlling the movements, and appreciating the beauty that emerges from focused effort. When you're trying something new, like Kenji learning calligraphy, always approach it with patience and a willingness to repeat. Mastery comes from persistent, focused practice, even in the smallest steps. Don't be afraid to embrace the learning process. With his ink ready in a stack of clean paper, Kenji settles down on the engawa, the wooden veranda overlooking the garden. He practices drawing kanji characters, focusing on the graceful strokes and balance. The quiet concentration helps him feel calm and centered. Calligraphy isn't just writing, it's an art form, a way to express beauty and discipline. It's a wonderful reminder that creativity can be found in structured practices, bringing both challenge and peaceful satisfaction. Did you know that calligraphy, or shodo, is considered a highly respected art form in Japan, deeply connected to Zen Buddhism and meditation? It's believed to train the mind as much as the hand. As the afternoon sun climbs higher, casting intricate shadows through the bamboo, Kenji's mother, Akari, calls him for shishoku, the midday meal. Kenji and Haruko join Akari in the dining area, which overlooks a small pond with colorful koi fish. Today's meal is a delicate array of freshly grilled fish, steamed rice, and a variety of pickled vegetables, all beautifully arranged. The flavors are subtle and harmonious, a true taste of Japan, and the conversation is soft, interspersed with appreciative sighs. Finding joy in simple pleasures, like a beautifully prepared meal, enjoyed in tranquility, teaches us to appreciate the present moment and the comfort it brings. It's about savoring life's small, delightful experiences with all your senses. In the late afternoon, the village enters a period of quiet activity. Farmers are tending to their rice paddies, their movements fluid and practiced. Others are working on traditional crafts, like weaving or pottery. Haruko heads to the local sento, the communal bathhouse, a place for relaxation and gentle social interaction. She enjoys the warm, soothing water, letting the day's gentle activities wash over her. It's a time for rejuvenation, for quiet reflection, and for simply being. Taking moments for self-care and gentle relaxation, like a visit to a sento, is not a luxury but an essential part of a balanced life. Allowing yourself to pause and restore your energy can greatly enhance your well-being. As dusk settles, a soft ethereal blue light envelops Mori no Sato. Lanterns begin to glow along the paths, casting a warm, inviting light. Kenji's father, Hiroshi, arrives home from his work as a carpenter, bringing with him the comforting scent of fresh wood. After a warm welcome from Haruko, Akari, and Kenji, they settle down for a lighter evening meal, or yushoku. Tonight, it's a simple udon noodle soup, warm and comforting. The quiet moments shared as a family, reflecting on their day, are truly precious, filled with unspoken understanding and gratitude. After dinner, a special evening ritual awaits the family. They gather in the living room, and Haruko begins to tell Kenji an old folk tale, a mukashi banashi, passed down through generations. Her voice is soft and melodic, weaving tales of mythical creatures and wise heroes. Kenji listens intently, his imagination soaring with each word. It's a beautiful tradition that connects them to their heritage and strengthens their family bonds. The simple act of storytelling, without screens or distractions, creates a truly immersive and peaceful end to the day. As the moon rises, casting a silvery glow over the rice paddies, Kenji feels a profound sense of peace. He's surrounded by his family, the soothing sounds of the fall countryside, and the comforting wisdom of his grandmother's stories. The scent of green tea, the gentle rhythm of daily life, and the feeling of belonging create a perfect sense of harmony. This day in Mori no Sato wasn't about grand adventures, but about the quiet beauty found in everyday moments, a perfectly raked garden, a shared meal, the warmth of a traditional tale. Moral of the story: true richness in life isn't always found in fast-paced excitement, but in the appreciation of simple joy, deep respect for tradition, and a harmonious connection to nature and community. It's about finding peace and beauty in the mindful rhythm of daily life. So, my wonderful friends, what did you think of our day in Mori, no Sato? Did you feel the calm of the Zen garden, hear the gentle sounds of the village, and imagine the taste of fresh matcha? Have you ever dreamed of living in a place where life moves with such a mindful and respectful pace? What traditions or daily activities from Mori no Sato would you love to experience in your own life? What would you do if you lived in a tranquil Japanese village surrounded by bamboo and rice paddies? Thank you for joining me on this beautiful journey. I hope it sparked your curiosity and inspired you to find peace and beauty in your own everyday moments. If you enjoyed this story, please comment below and tell me what you liked most about our day in Japan. Also, share where you would love to live in a peaceful slice of life story next. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring and immersive stories from around the world. Why not try saying Ohayo gozaimasu or arigato, thank you, aloud today? Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep finding the wonder in every day. Sayonara for now.